Invisible look, incredible sound. The HIDDEN ARX is an active digital stereo system consisting of two 25mm thin hi-fi speakers in DMM technology for installation in the plaster ceiling or plaster wall, driven by a compact subwoofer with an integrated Smart DSP amplifier. ARX stands for architecture. These are truly invisible, in-wall or in-ceiling DML speakers made especially for architects and sound integrators, turning any space into a 360 degrees acoustic chambers. What we offer with the HIDDEN ARX is brilliant sound for interiors, because the HIDDEN ARX speakers, while being invisible, they feature the same high-end sound characteristics as our premium EVOs, but are specially designed to be built into any drywall or dry ceiling construction and be plastered and painted over without losing our signatory sound quality. Bespoke sound systems based around HIDDEN ARX speakers produce a room-filling sound across a full frequency range, featuring high homogeneity of the sound field, which sounds amazing from every angle, balanced at any volume. HIDDEN ARX is architectural and fully integrated. HIDDEN ARX speakers can be completely incorporated into your architectural design, cleverly utilizing a setup with multiple speakers to deliver a concert-like perception of singer and instruments. This is why we call it architectural or invisible audio, installed into the wall or ceiling and then finished over with the surrounding surface. Our invisible speakers deliver ambient music that emanates through the space with no visual footprint. These are truly invisible audiophile loudspeakers made for system integrators, architects, and interior designers.